Well, today I will show you how to combine several WMV files with Joyoshare Video Joiner. Are you ready? Please follow me. In the first place, you need to launch the program after downloading and installing it. Next, add your files. Afterwards, just click on Format to choose a mode to combine your files and select the format as the output format. If you need to combine these files losslessly and quickly, you have to ask the high-speed mode for help. If you want to edit or customize your WMV files, then you should choose the encoding mode. After setting up, touch OK to get back to the first interface. Now, you can preview and rename the files, or move the yellow time slider to cut some unwanted sections from them. By the way, if choose the encoding mode to combine, you are allowed to edit these videos, such as trim, rotate, apply effects, add watermarks, and so forth. When everything is ready, tap Convert to start combining your WMV files. The merged file can be found in your local file folder.